All right, so in this video, I got a couple random pickups for you guys. Some of the stuff I've shown you guys already in previous videos, some of the stuff I just got. So let's go ahead and jump into the haul. What is going on, guys? Hes here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell to be notified when my videos are posted. Today I got a random haul like I mentioned, and kind of a fun one, man. I got a bunch of bags over here from Private Label that I'm excited to show you guys. Then obviously just a recap on some of these other ones that I already got, and then a couple other things that you haven't seen yet. So first, since it's eye level right next to me, man, I got to do a full detailed review of these. Still haven't done it yet, but since I did my original unboxing, more information has come out about this dash green colorway of the Pharrell Hue NMD. This is the Korea version with the Korean font down here, but these are supposedly rumored to be 7,777 pairs. This is a crazy colorway, though. I know some people said it looked like the Drops with that netting on it, which it kind of does have that sort of vibe to it, but I really like this, man. And the fact that there's like this jade look on the back, one of my favorite details. The midsole is like a light green as well. And just the overall oceanic sort of feel to this shoe, it just looks really cool. But yeah, man, shout out to Adidas Originals and Pharrell for sending this over for myself. Super crazy gift. It's a sample pair too. At that, like, there's no tags on the box or anything like that, so I'm just still blown away by that. It's been over a week that I've had these in my possession, and I will say that the box is a little bit damaged. My wife was actually playing with the kids, set up some train tracks all through the house, used this box, out of all the shoe boxes around, they used this box and started using it, and like stepped on it and like broke it. But it doesn't really matter, I guess, but it's kind of ridiculous, right? Shout out to Private Label for sending some bags over, man. They sent like a bunch of stuff over. If you haven't heard of Private Label before, it's like basically a sneaker bag company. They make sneaker travel bags, which obviously right now the travel industry is hurting quite a bit, but it's a good time to prep for those moments when you get a chance to travel. So these bags are pretty rad, man. This backpack right here holds, I think, 3 pairs of sneakers, and this duffel's insane too. The duffel's kind of like their signature trademark right here, but I guess we'll start off here since there's so many darn things. Look at this bag, dude. It is a ridiculous, crazy, nice quality duffel bag. So this crazy camo duffel bag is really nice quality. On the inside, you could see that they have a bunch of well thought out designs. It comes with some sneaker bags that you can put the shoes actually in, on top of some foam dividers. These foam dividers are really nice too, because then you can customize the inside fit for your sneakers specifically. So depending on the size of your shoes, you might need to stack them up specific ways. I like that there's little compartments and zipper spots so you can just add other things to the bag. But primarily this is for those serious sneaker people that want to travel with bags. So obviously travel means flights, but it also can mean car. Like I could fit this down on the floor area underneath my kids' feet if need be, although I'd get like goldfish crumbs all over the top of it. But really nice quality bag. So that is the duffel. And this is a look at the backpack. This is actually really crazy. This is probably going to be my carry-on bag whenever I go travel from now on, because it has such a ridiculously deep compartment right here to be able to stack your sneakers in here. But it also has a laptop spot as well as like phones and charger spots on the sides. Like, it's a really well designed bag. And so this is going to be the most functional bag for myself for sure. So another bag that they sent right here is a camera bag, which is crazy nice. But I'm going to be 100% honest. I'm going to probably be using this for my kid's Nintendo Switch bag. He has his Switch and his Mario figures that he travels with everywhere. So basically he could put the Switch in all the games, his extra controllers, the dock if he wants. All of the accessories can fit in here. Like, this is a perfect travel bag for him. And it even has a shoulder strap that will go on top too. So like, this is a perfect bag. My son got blessed up at age 4, man. What a guy. And lastly, they sent over this crazy looking shoulder bag. It's like a bubblegum tie-dye look to it. Pretty rad shoulder bag or waist bag, depending on how you want to wear it. It's definitely a colorful one and has nice little pockets on the sides and in the front. You can probably fit a lot of stuff in here. Honestly, bike rides with a family, this is one that I can throw in real quick, bring some snacks and stuff like that, because we go on family bike rides all the time. Private Label with the crazy amount of bags, though. I appreciate you all for sending these over. And if you guys want to check the link in the description, go over their site, shop around, see if you can find anything for yourselves or for gifts for other sneaker friends that you guys know. But we got an old pair of sweatpants right here too. Shout out to T Blake. But I bought a pair of Stone Island sweats from Tyler, and I made the mistake of washing these with the patch on, and then the patch is like all dingy now. It's so dumb. But obviously you guys know why I bought these, because I want to ice dye these kind of a crazy color. I don't want to overdo it, but I do want to make something kind of cool out of it. If you have suggestions for what colors I should be dyeing this Stone Island pair of pants, drop a comment in the comment section. I'm all ears, man. Definitely don't know what to be doing there. So I got a couple hoodies here for some other creators out there, and I have like 3 of them total that I'm going to be doing some bleach dyes and some tie dyes too. Kai, this one of them's coming for you, buddy. So be on the lookout. I did one of these for Cousteau. He was the only one that I made these hoodies for, and now I'm doing like 3 more just for fun, just for some other creators out there. So I got some black Nike hoodies there. Finally got those in, and then this I bought from Carrots, I think. Oh yeah, crazy. Okay. Yeah, man. All right, so I got another pair of those Carrot Crocs, and I also got a couple t-shirts. I'll be wearing these in some other videos, but there's a truckload Carrots t-shirt right there that was super dope. Really like that one. Just a truckload of Carrots, literally. Super rad. And then I also liked this one just because it's a simple and clean Carrots t-shirt. Literally just says Carrots and the little Carrots logo on the side. Actually, the owner of Carrots, I follow him on Twitter and stuff. I was actually following him because of this release, but I've been following the brand for a long time on Instagram. But he actually tweeted out and sent a DM with the link to be able to buy the Carrots Crocs like early before the release happened. That's why I was able to get my first pair. And then after I got the first pair, I was like, dude, this is crazy. I went back in, bought a second pair in my size, and then also bought a couple extra t-shirts just to support the business. And if you missed it, I already did an unboxing of these Crocs. They're just crazy, dude. If you don't appreciate these things, you won't appreciate these things until you do, which is what happened to me. I hated Crocs for the longest time. Had some kids. Obviously, you guys know the rest. Now I like Crocs. And they're super comfortable, and this collab is super fire. Super underrated in my opinion, and hopefully they'll get a second look from Crocs to do a second pair, because these ones came out super great in my opinion. But the Carrot Crocs right here, and then I got the second pair, and then some t-shirts from there. And I might actually do an ice dye on the orange t-shirt, just do like an orange dye, and just kind of doing like an orange ice dye doing it. Then you guys already did see my Dennis Rodman unboxing of these carbon Yeezys. And man, I gotta say, I got these in a size 10. I definitely need to just start going with a size 10 in these. I usually get a 9.5 or a 10, but when I get a size 10, they fit so much better. I don't have to pull out the insoles, and I like the overall comfort a lot better. So just a pro tip for you guys out there, try to go half a size up if you can, just because honestly, if you're wearing them for a real casual feel, much more comfortable. If you guys do hear some snoring in the room, I got pugs in the room. They're sleeping in my room. They won't leave the door, and as soon as I shut the door, they scratch at it. So it's just ridiculous. 2 more things. Super stoked about these, man. I actually got these from Sneakers and Stuff. I hit on a couple different pairs from Sneakers and Stuff. The Lego joints for one, but I also got a pair of these from a restock that they had. This is a colorway, man, that I absolutely wanted to get as soon as I saw the very first images. Color is the magma orange, and it's the Air Max 1 with that crazy orange look to it. Has the stylings of the original Air Max 1 in the OG red color, but they flipped it and now did it in orange. Like, it's basically like the smartest approach to this shoe. They really have a rainbow of different colors. They did the same thing with the Air Max 90 this year. Was super stoked about that. Have a bunch of Air Max 90s. But this is one that I absolutely wanted. Didn't get the green ones, but I definitely needed the orange ones. Go Beavs, obviously. Then lastly, I got this finally. After like 70 months, I got this Cactus Jack Fortnite thing here. I don't even remember how much I paid for this. That's the saddest part about it. But this is, let's see what it is. We'll see what it looks like. Yeah, okay. So that is pretty legit. It's like these Cactus Jack action figures from Fortnite. And actually, I played Fortnite a little bit. You know, I won a couple solos here and there. Yeah, that's pretty much a look at the box. I don't know, dudes. Not worth the money. Kind of a cool display piece, though, and I have a bunch of toy displays over here and over there. So this is going to go up on the top over there. I'll probably just hold on to it and eventually probably sell it. We'll just see what happens. But that was the other thing that I got. But as you can see, that's the entire haul. This was a crazy fun one. Shout out to Private Label again for the bags. You guys rock. Shout out to Carrots for that early link for the Crocs, man. Happy to get the second pair with the t-shirts. Big shout out to Adidas and Pharrell for these joints, man. The dash greens are super crazy. And I saw Seth Fowler got a pair too. Like, they've been really doing a really tremendous job on their seating program, because usually I'm never included, and so I feel so honored to be part of that the cool kids for once. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Subscribe again if you're new to the channel. If you guys haven't seen my website, I post sneaker deals all the time. CollectiveKicks.com is the site, and basically just a curated list of sneaker deals that I find through the week for you guys. But have a good rest of the day, and we'll hopefully see you guys back for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.